Welcome to AutoCAD tutorial part 6. Here we'll learn some more drawing tools and modification tools. The first tool that we are going to learn is move. For this, let us draw an object. Here is the object that we have drawn. To move this object, first we'll go to Modify and there we'll select Move. The Move command is used to move one or more existing drawing entities from one location in the drawing to another. As I have selected the command Move, I'll select the object first. First press enter and then select the base point, and then by clicking on the base point we can move it anywhere as we want. It will displace that drawing from one point to another. The command for move is M. The next tool that we will learn is the mirror tool, which is available on the Modify toolbar. First, click on the mirror tool and then select the object. Right click and select the first point of mirror line. Here I will select and then the mirror copy of this object will get on the screen. The mirror command allows you to mirror selected entities in your drawing. The original objects can be deleted or retained like a copy. Here we have retained it. The next command is erase. The erase command lets you delete selected entities from the drawing. First, select the object and then click on erase or press enter. The command is this. Select the command and then click on the object and then press enter. The object will be deleted from the screen. You can easily erase just the last object you drew by responding to the select objects from the prompt with I. We have learnt erase, mirror and move command in this tutorial. We'll learn some more commands in our next tutorial. Thank you.